Hello, I'm Dr. Brandt Gibson. And if you've ever grown a garden or grown a plant or basically tried to get anything to grow, you find that nutrition is the secret. When I was very young, one of the things that we did in school is we'd actually plant a bean seed. You actually get a cup, you fill it up with dirt, and you plant the seed deep in the dirt, and then you'd water it every day and place it in a window, place it somewhere where you can actually get sunlight. So it could get all the appropriate nutrition, whether it was the appropriate nutrition from the sun to help it warm the earth and get the seed ready to grow, whether it was appropriate water or whatever. And what I've found as I've grown older is sometimes you need to give plants even additional nutrition. One of the most sensitive cells in the body is the nerve cell. And if there is insufficient nutrition for that cell or these cells, the nerve cells will start to malfunction. They'll start to die, and they can actually have pretty big issues functioning like they're supposed to. Small nerve cells, like small fiber sensory nerves, can actually even completely disappear. They can die and disappear, and they become a bigger issue because of insufficient nutrition. So nutrition is one of the keys to nerve health. What do I mean by nutrition? I mean getting the appropriate nutrients into your body. The best way to do this is in the macronutrient form. The best way is through the use of appropriate foods, eating correctly. If you're eating the typical American diet of junk food and highly processed foods and foods that you can cook really, really quickly in the microwave, typically what happens is you're getting insufficient nutrition levels in the foods that you're eating, and the nerves will pay for that. If you have any other reason to have a peripheral neuropathy, this nutrition schedule will increase the amount of damage that is happening to those nerves. So that being said, using more whole foods, more complete foods, you're going to actually get better benefit. The best whole foods, vegetables, especially the green leafy vegetables and vegetables with the different colors, those kind of things like beets and squashes and some of those kind of things are going to give you really high levels of nutrition, and these nutrients will be valuable to the cells. Sometimes, because of how we're eating, we may need to supplement. There are different types of ways that you can actually supplement as well. You can do certain types of nutritional supplements, but you don't want to be someone that's just overdoing supplements without a reason. So you'll say, okay, if I'm taking vitamin B12, I need to have a reason for vitamin B12. If vitamin D, I should have a reason for vitamin D. I'm taking a multivitamin again. You say, okay, what are you trying to add? What are you trying to make sure that you have sufficient of? The other type of nutrition is you can do medicinal type foods. Sometimes there are special foods that have good combinations of these nutrients that will work better in your body. Some of the shakes, some of those kind of things can actually be beneficial in this way. So nutrition is a secret, is a key to improving nerve health. As you increase nutrition, you improve the way the nerve's going to function because it can heal, because it has the appropriate nutrients. It can actually produce the DNA and RNA that is necessary. You can actually repair the organelles of the cell, especially such things as the mitochondria, and it allows you to truly produce the neurotransmitters and have the cells function at their best, highest level. So you reduce the chances of slow, weak, or absent signals, and you start to get signals that are going to the brain. And as you improve the health of the nerves, you have less of those erroneous or incorrect signals that are getting to the brain. This is Dr. Brandt Gibson. This is Neuropathy Nugget, day 311. Nutrition is one of the secrets to improving nerve health, and that nutrition happens every single day in the way that we're eating. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.